Haven't slept much this weekend. You can probably tell. Probably look 20 years older right now.
Ready to see me get pissed off today?
You guys remember how we talk about Kaleb getting mad because I can't find my shovels? Pagel Services shovel. It's got my sticker on it and everything. Welcome back to Pagel Services, where by golly, we finally got some snow. It is currently Sunday, and yesterday we spent all day plowing snow. So far we've got, I'm gonna say 10 to 12 inches, and we've been running pretty hard. Good deal, thanks. All right. Well, that's what that cluster mess looks like. It's currently 2:30, so basically half an hour to get everybody out of here and working. Not too bad. Now I can actually go work. Alright guys, we need to talk about one of the biggest issues we've had this year. And it's not an employee, it's not a truck, it's not equipment, it's not money, it's not Mother Nature. Jessica?
It's autopilot.
That's right. Service Autopilot. So that was the CRM we were using, and it was an absolute nightmare. Outdated, very non-user friendly, hard to use, hard to understand, way too complicated, and we've probably spent thousands of dollars trying to fix things and get it to merge with our QuickBooks. We finally made the choice that we're going to switch, and we have teamed up with Jobber, guys. From the get-go, the phone call, the introductory phone call, talking with their staff, pricing, going through everything was great, super easy. We're actually going through the setup process right now, and their main question to us when we came to them was, what are the issues you're having with your current CRM? And we told them the issues we were having, which is syncing with QuickBooks and user friendly. And they looked at me kind of confused, as in they've never heard of a problem with connecting with QuickBooks. So that made me very comfortable, because if that CRM doesn't connect with your QuickBooks, everything is out of whack, none of the numbers match, and it's an absolute nightmare to fix. So for any of you guys that run a small business or even a mid-sized business, if you don't have a CRM, you definitely need to look into one. And we here at Pagel Services highly recommend Jobber. Jobber can handle quotes, scheduling, job tracking, invoicing, and payments all in one platform. No more juggling 5 different apps or hoping things don't break. It just works, and it works the way we need it to. So now that we're officially a Jobber ambassador, you can get a free 14-day trial plus 20% off your first 6 months of service. By using our QR code here, scan this, or click the link in the description. This is genuinely the best and easiest software we've used thus far, and we'll be keeping updates with you guys as far as the software goes. Like I said, we're super excited to implement it into our business, and I think it's going to save us time, and time is money. So stay tuned, and we will be letting you guys know more about the features of Jobber.
Morning, Sleeping Beauty.
What are you doing?
Plowing.
Plowing what? All 0.6 inches of snow?
Uh-huh.
I'll come hang out with you.
Alright.
Woo, you happy to be plowing, my guy?
Yeah, it's nice and relaxing.
So what happened today? What time did you have to get up? What time were you put in?
Well, I was up at... I got up about 2:15 to a message from Kaleb that says come in at 4. So I slept for another like 45 minutes, so been up since about 3.
Yeah, very nice.
And it just started snowing at like heavy at, I don't know, 5:30. Yeah, just wonderful, ain't it?
You excited to be plowing?
Yeah.
You like plowing?
Yeah, it ain't so bad. But
You salting too, or just plowing right now?
I'm just plowing, just scraping it off. Well, the front part, he told me to do the front of Bender's, but that part up there had already been done once. I don't know if I'm supposed to do the whole thing, and he won't answer the radio and won't message me back either, so I'm just doing it. We'll figure it out from here.
All right.
You ready for this?
Yeah.
Piling it all down there, hoping we can do something. I don't know. Nice and easy today. First plow of the year, you always got to be gentle on everything until you get in the swing of things.
You got it nice and toasty in here.
Yeah, I'm trying to thaw out that window. I might have you actually roll it down and roll it back up.
Ugh.
Yeah, I figured I'm gonna try to get all this done before everybody starts showing up here. A couple people are here.
I see they're starting to come in.
Yeah, they must all start at like 6:30 or something. I don't know.
only thing you've plowed so far?
I plowed the hospital down in Boscobel.
So you were down in Boscobel? Like you and Sean are taking care of Boscobel for most of the storms?
Yep.
I didn't realize we had that many accounts down there.
Yeah, there's a couple of kind of high priority ones.
Like big ones?
Now neither one of them is like super big. It's just they got to be done.
Yeah.
Like the hospital, and then there's another factory down there that there's always people going in and out of, and we got a list of what lots to plow right away, and
It's still calling for 8 to 10 inches. It just didn't start as early as we thought.
so is your mom.
Is that worth it, Dan? It's 6 o'clock in the morning. Is that worth it?
Absolutely.
My mom's single now. She'd probably have at you.
She ain't had nothing in a while.
You ever seen two marshmallows squished together? That's what you two would look like.
Ooh. We ain't gonna get like stuck together, are we?
Oh no, you'd be like dogs after they do it. She'd be dragging you around.
Yeah. Jesus. You know what, Derek? You're right. It is.
You can't make fun of my mom better than I can, Dan. I can do it way better than you.
Yeah. You know what, Derek? You are right. It is 6:20 in the morning. It might be a little early for all this, huh? Yeah, I'm not gonna push the old cart corrals or anything. 'Cause I don't want to screw anything up, but we'll get right up by her here.
You think you're the only one out and about right now?
I don't think. I mean, the shovelers might still be. I know Sean was heading home. I think Hunter was down in Platteville.
Platteville should be a little worse. Because we're kind of getting the north tip of the storm this morning.
Yeah.
It'll turn into the middle of the storm by the afternoon, it looks like.
Yeah, probably. We'll see what happens, though. Who knows? But
Feels like this always happens, Dan.
Yep.
Every first storm, 10 to 12 inches. Biggest storm you've ever seen, and they get 3 to 4.
Well, they do it with every storm anymore. I think they're getting worse and worse, honestly.
No. Then the second time, then everybody doesn't think anything about it. Then it's going to be 1 to 4. Then it is a 9 to 10. That's always how it goes.
I don't know. I'm estimating about 5 inches, I think.
You think 5 for the whole day?
Yeah.
No, it'll be more than that.
I was looking at the radar and it looks like the thicker stuff's gonna go like to the south side of Grant County, it looked like. But I'm thinking 5 to 6 is what we're gonna end up with. Exactly half of what they said we would. Cleaning her all up pretty here, Derek.
I'm surprised you're not salting. A little pre-salt wouldn't do no harm. It'd actually probably do a little good. It is slippery out there.
I did throw some down at the hospital just because it's a hospital.
Well, if they fall, at least they're real close.
Exactly. Well, this should save us a little bit of time when it's time to actually go again. I feel like that'll slow it down. Slow down the accumulation a little.
What do you got in here, Daniel?
Coffee.
Just black?
Black as can be.
No cream, no sugar, no nut?
No. It's already cold because I've been busy plowing. But it's going to be alright, Derek. You know, you kind of make this difficult, you know that?
Why is that? I'm in the way.
Yeah.
What time were you at Boscobel? Plows to the ground.
Probably 4:45, I think. Yeah, that's probably about right, because we hung around in the office waiting for it to snow, or at the shop for a little bit, waiting for it to snow. And getting everything coordinated. Me and Sean kind of had a little plan going. I made sure that he's going to be the one doing Brenda's. People don't know who Brenda is. But
Yeah, that's the spicy one.
yeah, that one, I don't like that at all. You go up the side of a hill.
Is Sean better at plowing than you?
Oh, I'm sure. I don't know what I'm doing. My formal training was this is how you run the control.
Well, you've plowed enough now, or you've kind of gotten a little...
Yeah. I still get kind of goofy when it's my first time plowing places. But we're getting the hang of her, Derek. Yeah, there's just a few little things I still got to figure out, but we're getting her. I have to push this pile way back. I got a feeling.
You got plenty more space over there to create more piles.
Well, I think most of it's supposed to go right in here, though. I think. Well, what do I know? I mean, obviously, if it's that full, we'll have to get her done, but I think we'll be alright. I think it'll be good enough until we do her again in a couple hours. Yeah, whatever that is, don't seem right, does it?
That popping?
Yeah.
I think you're just slipping.
Oh, it should. Yeah, I'm in two-wheel drive.
Bam!
I can get a little bit more, I think. I'll fix that. Actually go in. Oh yeah.
What'd you do, put in the four-wheel?
Yeah. Maybe. There we go. She's in now.
She needs ice.
Yep.
Or salt, I mean.
That'll be fine. I got most of it pushed back now. Do one more on the right side there. Beautiful. I'll go play in my truck for a while in the snow.
Whipping shitties or what?
Might have to.
Why?
It was fun.
Tell you what, my old journey took the first corner and about slid 360 degrees, going 8 miles an hour.
Yeah, you always forget how slippery snow is until it's here. I'm driving over here to speedy mark quick. Yeah, this one's honestly not a lot of fun. It's pretty close quarters, I guess would be the word. We're making a lot of racket there.
Don't hit the gas pump.
Just bounce her right off there, huh?
I see my man's had a cheeseburger this AM.
Yep.
Cheeseburger and a coffee.
Yep.
Breakfast of champions.
Yep. I didn't have anything.
They didn't have no breakfast items?
Nope, they could have got that or the chicken sandwiches. I opted for the cheeseburger.
It's coming. Well done, Daniel. How long you been out and about already?
Oh, we went out at 4 this morning, and then...
You went out at 4 a.m.?
Yeah, and then they called us back after like 2 hours and told us to come back at 9:30. So we just kind of got back out here again.
Is this your first stop coming back out the second time?
Yeah, that's where he told me to go, so...
Nice. Gonna be a long day.
It's gonna be a nice day.
Ready to see me get pissed off today?
How's it go? I've almost been backed into twice.
Oh yeah, people pay no attention to anything. trying to go out down there or come in the other end.
I'd like to think all
Dude
the
just stops there right in the middle of the road.
I'd like to think all these people knew that this storm has been coming for weeks. And yay, let's go get our groceries
Perfect timing.
now.
It's bad. Every single person in town is coming to shop right now.
Well, why wouldn't you?
Yeah, it's perfect.
Small Business Saturday. It's got to get the Black Friday deals
Yeah.
on your can of corn.
Yeah. Yeah, there's some guy sitting back there on his phone, not even in the store, he's just talking in the parking lot.
There's another one.
Kicking around snowballs. Couple more cars will be all right. Go through that stupid grocery cart.
I'm fine. Thank you. Did you see me biff it?
No, I didn't. I heard that kid asking if you were all right, though.
Oh yeah, I'm 100% right on the old side of my back.
Were you on the sidewalk, or?
No, I was running right here. It's slippery out. Maybe you should salt it a little bit, huh?
Yeah, it's a good idea. Just to plow it off again in an hour.
Yeah.
Right?
time is it? 8 a.m. Sunday. Just took a 10-minute snooze in the truck, and we're filling her up with fuel. So haven't slept much this weekend. You can probably tell. Probably look 20 years older right now. I'll be fine tomorrow. But things are going pretty good so far. We're on the home stretch. So Platteville crew, Hunter and all those guys over there, they're doing good. Down in Boscobel, Dan and John are doing good. Guy over in Livingston, he's doing good. We're doing good here in Fennimore. Lancaster, we gotta send a truck over there, finish some stuff up. So this is a lot of snow. I'm not complaining one bit because we needed it, but you know, for this to be the first storm of the year really sucks. The other thing that sucks, hate to complain, but I'm supposed to be putting on a parade this afternoon, a Christmas light parade. And I told them last week that we should reschedule it. And they're like, okay. They rescheduled it from Saturday to Sunday. And I said, well, all my guys are gonna have 40 hours in this weekend. I'm gonna have no sleep, and you want me to put on a parade. All right. Not only that, who wants a parade on a Sunday night? I don't think people are gonna show up. It's gonna be 20 degrees. Who wants to come and put a float together? And who wants to sit at that? So I don't think we're gonna have a good turnout. I mean, we'll try to video it, but I don't know. I'm really not excited about it. I think this is the first year we've ever had snow on the Christmas light parade, which really, I mean, it would look nice and pretty, but again, you know, we need help from the city crew. They've been working all weekend. A bunch of my guys need to come help, and just kind of too much all at once. So, but we're gonna finish fueling this up, and then we're probably gonna go do some of the country driveways outside of town, those kinds of ones. So I'll try to film a couple of those for you guys, and try and get our day finished up here. driveway out in the countryside, and fun fact, it's actually a place where John Kaufman, my employee, used to live. And you guys remember how we talk about Kaleb getting mad because I can't find my shovels? Stuff's always missing, tools. $80 shovels. Look at that right there. Pagel Services shovel. It's got my sticker on it and everything. Literally moved out and left my shovel behind. I have to have a talk with this kid. Get a lot of questions. Why is that plow on the back? What do you need that for? That thing's stupid. Why don't you just use the front plow? Why don't you buy an end loader? Why don't you buy a helicopter? That thing's stupid. I'm gonna show you how it works. So there's two dock doors here, and for any of you guys that plow snow and understand, if I just had a front plow, I'd have to back drag this out probably, I don't know, 10 times. Super annoying. Let's see how the back blade works. something we have not ever done, but this video here is going to be a 3-part series. So now you just watched the first one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. The second one, you're going to get to see our chaotic morning. Jesus Christ. Move these cars. Oh my God. Okay, holding up 25 people here. The third video then will be some of the best plowing footage that you're going to find on YouTube. And you're going to get to see how quickly things can unfold and things can go wrong. Oh yeah, she's just blowing coolant out everywhere. Oh, I'm going to bust every one of them off. This is so stupid. Okay, well, Sean's truck's done, so I can't say it. I'm not going to say it. Things seem to be going pretty good. Last time I said it, 2 trucks went down already. So, well, appreciate you guys watching. Make sure to stay tuned for the second one and the third one, and we'll see you guys in the next one.